So guys, let's learn the React.js by developing the application. So we are going to develop the application that is the student record management system. This is not going to be the full-fledged project, but at least you will get idea that how to provide the student information with help of React.js front end to the Spring Boot backend, and how the Spring Boot will store the data in the MySQL database. So guys, here you can see that the React.js application will interact with the Spring Boot application, and Spring Boot application will interact with the MySQL. And here you can see this flow is the bidirectional flow. That means that the MySQL will send some result to the Spring Boot, and Spring Boot send some result to the React.js application. Okay, so let's create the first React.js application. So I'll be opening the command prompt, and in the command prompt, first thing that is very important is that I'm going to check whether the Node.js is installed or not. So guys, to run the or to create the React.js application, you must require to install the Node.js. Then and then you will able to create the React.js application. Otherwise, it is not going to work. Okay, so the command to check the node is installed or not, that is node -v. Okay, it should show some version. Here it is showing me the version that is 16.17.0. Also, you require to check that npm is working or not. Npm is nothing but the node package manager, which handles the installation of the various packages required by the React.js application. I'm hitting enter, and let's check the version of npm, that is 8.15.0. For your machine it could be a different also. That depends that when you are installing this, or you might have installed the Node.js. Okay, now the command to create the React.js application is npx create dash react dash app, and followed by that you can specify the folder name where the project related React.js file would be stored. Okay, so here I'm giving a project folder name that is student front end, and I'm hitting enter. It will start creating the project structure in the directory which we have mentioned, that is the student front end. It will take some time and will try to create all the necessary file. So I'm pausing the video for a while, and once this would be completed, I will come back. Okay, so I'm done with the creating of this React.js application. So here you can see it is showing something interesting to us. That is, it says that your application is ready, and if you want to start the application, you can write a command that is npm start, that will start the development server of the React.js. Also, that when you deploy the React.js application, at that time you require to build the React.js application. So to build the React.js application, you can execute the command that is npm run build. Guys, obviously you must be wondering, then what is the difference between this npm start and npm run build? So guys, the main difference is that this npm run build will optimize your code so that it will efficiently execute it at the time of after deployment. Okay, npm test is used to test the React.js application. Okay, so now what we'll be doing, that we'll be moving to this particular folder, that is the student front end, cd student front end, and hitting enter. And if you will execute the dir command, you will able to see there are so many files. Okay, So guys, here I'm going to open all these files in my VS Code IDE. So let me open the VS Code. Moving to the file, clicking on open folder, moving to the directory where I have created the React.js application, which is there inside the users, administrator. There I should have the student front end, this one. Okay. So here you can see that the project is open in the VS Code. Okay. We'll discuss more about this project in the next video.